Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a fish curry recipe with you, and this is a very unusual fish curry recipe for me or for where I come from. So in this recipe you just take a wonderful earthen pot and you mix all your spices, your oil and your fish. You just mix everything up and you cover it and let it cook. And then there's like an optional tempering in the end. My friend from college, she's the one who shared the recipe with me, and I just had to try it out and share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, if you like the recipe, click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell with the all notifications option, and also share this recipe with your friends and family. If you do try it, let me know in the comments section. So let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe. This is 500 grams of millet fish that I have bought. I buy this from Fresh to Home. It's a site and I'm going to share the link in the description. So they clean the fish and they send it to you. I find it really convenient because I live in Pune where there is no ocean. They have a lot more variety than you would find in a local market. I'm cutting this into 3 pieces each. If you don't have this fish, you can use any fish of your choice. I've put this in a soapstone pot, and to that I've added 1 whole sprig of curry leaf, 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, a heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, also 2 teaspoons of chopped onions, and 1.5 tablespoons of coriander leaf. This is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding 2 green chilies almost whole. I've just broken it into 2 pieces, and you're going to massage all the masala or the marinade onto the fish really well. You want it to go inside in the stomach part of the fish as well as on the surface. You can add chili powder as per your taste. If you don't eat spicy, you can add a little less, or you can add the Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, which is lower in heat. And I'm adding some water and I've put it on the heat now. I'm just trying to put some of the gravy and the masala back on the top of the fish too. So we've covered this and cooked it for about like 3 to 4 minutes. Fish doesn't take too long, but I'm going to flip all of these pieces over and let it go for a little longer. And here I'm adding some Amsuis. So this is a souring agent. You can add tamarind. So you can add about 2 teaspoons of tamarind pulp, or as per your liking. So I let it cook for a bit, and now I'm adding some coconut milk. So this is 1/2 cup and I'm adding that. And we're going to let it boil for a couple of minutes in the end, and the gravy is ready. But we are going to have one more added step to this, and which is tempering. So I'm going to temper this with some shallots. This is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 2 small sliced shallots, and we're going to brown it slightly. I still have my fish curry on the back gas, and I'm trying to put some of the curry back onto the top of the fish so it doesn't dry out. And now my shallots are almost done, and I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add paprika or Kashmiri red chili powder. This is mainly for the color because it gives that red color to the oil. And I'm putting the tempering onto it. I'm just putting some of the gravy into the tempering pot so that I get even the last bits of the oil. And look how beautiful it looks. And trust me, it smells divine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe and will try it out and let me know how it was. You can also send me pictures on Instagram or Facebook. I have all my handles in my description. The ingredients and the printable recipe is on my new website, so you can check that out too. And thanks for watching. Bye.